Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My first ever footwear haul, and I'm so excited to show all of these footwears that I got from Myntra this time. To be honest, I was very skeptic while purchasing footwears online because I'm such a person that unless I try them myself, I do not get footwears generally. It's always the factor of comfort, the fit and everything. So I thought let's just give this a try and see. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. All of these footwears are relatable and quite basics that everyone should have in their wardrobe. The first pair that I have is from the brand Anok. I did not know that Anok has a footwear collection. So this is a pair of flats. ये receipt है, मैं इसको side कर देती हूँ. The packaging came really nice and neat, and it's a pair of metallic Kolapuris, and I feel this is a must have for ethnic wear, and you can always style this up with all of your ethnic clothing, suit sets, kurti sets. It makes and it elevates the entire look of your outfit, and it gives such a stylish lift to your whole outfit. I thought I should give this a try, and I'm not at all disappointed. It's comfortable, it is sturdy, the material is good, and it has a very good sole as well. So this is how the chappal looks, and I'm of the size Euro 37, so it fits me properly. Let me give you a closer view. So yeah, this is how the chappal looks. They are so versatile. You can always wear these in small functions or day-long functions as well. Like you have to walk a lot, you have to do a lot, you have to move a lot. You can always wear these and look stylish at the same time, super comfortable. So yeah, this is the first one. Let's move on to the next one, and it is from Alan Solly, and it is a nice, very vibrant pair of kitten heels. This also came in a nice package, and it has a sturdy thing that holds the shape of the shoe. So that I feel is a very interesting thing that the seller has considered, that the shape of the footwear should be intact, and really appreciate that. So let me just remove this and this as well. So yeah, this is how the shoe looks. It has a very tiny kitten heel which is super cute and comfortable. It has a little bit of padding around so you don't get shoe bites. I have previously purchased footwears from Alan Solly from a store actually, but this time I thought let's just buy online and see if it's the same, if the fit and comfort is the same. So I thought why not give this a try. I really like the color is as it was in the picture. I love that it is nice and bold, so I can always dress basic outfits or neutral outfits. So yeah, I'm super happy and excited to style this up and wear this with my neutral outfits. I got this in the size UK 5 and Euro 38. The reason I got this in 38, my true foot size is 37, but since it is a closed toe footwear, I prefer it to be a little bit roomy so that my feet doesn't cramp and end up feeling painful. It fits me perfectly. I like the fit and I like the style. Super happy. I'll leave the links in the description so you can check that out. This is how it looks. So this is how it's look. This is the back from this top. All of these footwears were again at a discounted price, so I got them at a very good rate and a very good bargain. Okay, moving on to the next pair, and it is a pair of slide. Actually, I bought two pairs from the same brand called Shoetopia. This is the first time I'm trying out this brand, and Let me just show you the first pair, and it is a really nice basic everyday kind of slides. You can always wear them with kurtis or even jeans. So this is how the slides look. It's simple, but I like the braided design and I like the simplicity. But the best part is it's so comfortable and it feels high quality. So I'm happy that it is affordable. At the same time, it feels super comfortable, and that's exactly what you look for, right? So it should always be a balance between the two, right? So yeah, this is how the slides look from the front, and the back is somewhat like this. It's simple, but I like the dusty mauve and dusty pink mauve, whatever you call it. This is the color that's so versatile. You can always style this with your everyday outfit and it looks so cute and comfortable. So yeah, this is how it looks. I got this in the size 38 euro and it fits me perfectly. There's no problem in the fit and the comfort is amazing, and it is under 600 rupees when I bought it. There are several other colors available from this brand. So definitely try and check out what you like the most. There's another pair that I would like to show you. So yeah, this is how the slides look. Okay, moving on to the next and the last item of this haul, which is another pair of slides from the same brand, Shoetopia. It's the same style but in a different color, and this is equally comfortable, equally beautiful, and it fits so well. So let me just show it to you. Again, a basic but not too basic. So this is how it looks. This is a pure white slides. I've been wanting a pair of white slides for such a long time to wear it along with denims as well as kurtis and kurta sets. So a good purchase, I would say. You can always wear this to office and you can wear this the entire day. Your feet won't hurt. It's super comfortable and I've tried it. So yeah, this is how the slides look. Let me show you the other one. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it fits me so well. It fits me like a glove. I'm super happy with this buy as well. I didn't realize that online shoes or slides or footwears could actually turn out to be good. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting more from these brands. Let me know if you want to see another footwear haul. So this is how it looks, and the back is like this. It's not slippery at all. It has a nice grip, so need not worry about that. Again, this is in the size 38 euros, so it fits me perfectly. Okay guys, that's all that I have for my footwear haul. This is my first ever footwear haul. I was super excited for this video, and also I'm very happy with all of these footwears that I got from Myntra. Let me know, like I said, I'll make more of the footwear hauls for you guys. Also give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.